We have been committed to building an Asia-Europe network system with resources from north, south, central routes which are interchangeable from main and backup use, and interconnectivity between land and sea. We will continue to optimize the global internet layout to complement east and west resources with each other and well-traffic balance. In terms of international submarine cable resources, we actively built the One Belt, One Road digital Silk Road to form a strong bond of high-quality international connectivity and cooperation. At present, dual cable configuration has been formed in three main directions including Asia-Europe, Pan-Asia, and Asia-US to form an international core network, providing customers with rich communication core resources and services for the first time. China Unicom has more than 60 international cable systems and 10 global cable landing stations covering a total of 660,000 square kilometers and connecting more than 80 countries and regions. The total capacity of submarine cables exceeds 179 T, among which 18 submarine cables are jointly constructed by China Unicom. For Europe, China Unicom is the only operator with both AAE-1 and SIMI-V5 submarine cable covering along the Belt and Road, which has realized the mutual protection of the two routes in the direction of Asia, Africa, and Europe, and effectively reducing communication delay. After a landing, the cable can be extended to important cities in France, Germany, Italy, and other countries. For United States, the dual routes of TPE and NCP submarine cables are used to carry the transoceanic loading. Multi-routes and connection diversity are accomplished in the directions of China, Japan, America, and China, Korea, America. In the Asia-Pacific region, with Singapore and Hong Kong as the focal point, multiple submarine cable layout in hotspots is enabled. The direction of China, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan is covered by multiple routes of TPE, NCP, APCN2, and APG. For the China-Singapore direction, dual route configuration of APCN2 and APG submarine cables is deployed. From Hong Kong to Singapore, it is covered by APCN2, APG, ADC, SEA H2X, and ALC cables. In Africa, China Unicom invested in the construction of SAIL submarine cable and provided the photoelastic cable landing station service in Brazil. SAIL is the first intercontinental direct high-speed submarine cable across the South Atlantic Ocean, connecting Cameroon and Brazil and connecting the African and the South American continents, with a transmission delay as low as about 56 milliseconds. SAIL opens a new channel for internet exports to West Africa and South America, enhances the overall resilience to risks, and promotes the deepening of international cooperation in the digital economy. International terrestrial resources. China Unicom has set up 12 ITMC international bureaus with 22 land-line border stations and completed interconnection with 13 neighboring countries and regions. The resources cover more than 20 international terrestrial systems with a total capacity of more than 29 T. The China-Russia, China-Mongolia, and China-Kazakhstan land cable routes are important routes connecting Central Asia and Europe. As such, a sea land cable network is formed through China-Russia-Europe, China-Mongolia-Russia-Europe, China-Kazakhstan-Russia-Europe cable routes. The China-Laos, China-Vietnam, and China-Myanmar land lines are important routes connecting ASEAN countries. The China-Myanmar International Transboundary Optical Cable (CMI), jointly built by China Unicom and Myanmar NPT, was completed and put into operation in 2017. The cable starts from Rili in Yunnan Province, China, and runs through Myanmar to Wutsan on the Bay of Bengal. China Unicom has a sole fiber-based channel from West China to the Indian Ocean estuary. With the help of Anhui Cable Landing Station, China Unicom can bypass the Malacca Strait and directly connect the cable to the Middle East, Africa, and Europe, greatly improving the structure of China's terrestrial and submarine cable communication network. China Unicom has implemented the National Development Strategy for the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. It successfully completed the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau cross-border optical cable project and built multiple sets of cross-border optical cable interconnection systems in Shenzhen, Hong Kong, and Zhuhai, Macau. The system provides large capacity, high security, and low delay information channels for cross-border communications between Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau. Shenzhen, Hong Kong, and Zhuhai, Macau network delay is as low as 1 millisecond. The delay of Guangdong-Hong Kong network is as low as 2 milliseconds. The network delay between Guangzhou and Hong Kong is as low as 3 milliseconds, encouraging the information connectivity of the world-class megalopolis in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area and the Belt and Road region. China Unicom adheres to integrate and open and works extensively with global partners to build a global high-speed information and communication channel. China Unicom terrestrial and submarine cable systems reach out globally and connect the world.